Okay, so for this video, I'm going to talk about compound units, the topic that we were talking the previous videos. Okay, as we were saying the last time, okay, how to convert a bigger unit to a smaller unit is that you convert the bigger unit at the side first. Okay, do it systematically. Okay, so 5 kilometers. Okay, we know that 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. Okay, so 5 kilometers, we actually know that actually give us 5 times, remember the last time I talked about one packet gives you 1000, right? So 5 of these bigger packets gives me how many pieces, okay? So it's actually 5 times 1000 equals to 5000 meters, okay? So I know 5 kilometers actually give me 5000 meters, and you add 11 meters, we should give you, okay, I can add 11 here and do my vertical working, and I should end up with 5011 meters. Okay, so this is how you do this question. Alright, moving on. Okay, it's actually a more difficult question. It might not be tested in your exams, but I think it's a good idea and a good question to come and really test out your true understanding of the topic. Okay, so for this question, okay, it's actually we are converting this compound unit, which is 3 kilometers and 15 centimeters. Instantly, what we should realize is that, hey, okay, kilometers convert should actually give you smaller packets of meters, not centimeters. Okay, so how do I, how do I convert it back? Okay, because remember the last time we mentioned that actually 1 kilometer gives me 1000 smaller meters. Okay, so it's like a packet, right? So 1 kilometer gives me a packet of 1000 meters, right? So now, okay, I'm supposed to get centimeters. Okay, the question is asking me for centimeters. So how do I convert? Okay, so how do you do it? All right, we need to use two conversion. We got to convert the kilometers twice. Okay, so you remember that 1 kilometer gives you 1000 meters, right? And you know that 1 meter actually gives you 100 centimeters. Okay, so I know that one big packet, 1 big kilometer packet gives me 1000 pieces of meters. Okay, let me put it that way. Okay, 1000 pieces of this small little meter kind of units, for example. Okay, and now I got 1000 of these 1000 of these meter units. So I know that one of these meter units gives me even smaller 100 centimeter units. So let me kind of draw it to put this into perspective. So let's say this is my kilometer unit. Okay, so this is my kilometer unit. Okay, and let me put it in another color. Okay, so it contains actually small little, packets of like 1000. I have 1000 meters inside. So this is like, I'm drawing it too big, but just imagine there are 1000 of these square little pieces inside. Okay, 1000 of it. All right, I'm not going to completely draw it. Okay, it's going to take too much time. But in this, okay, so I know that inside there are 1000 of these meter kind of packets, and actually my 1 kilometer, okay, is the same as 1000 meters, and 1000 meters is the same as 1 kilometer. So I can just convert it because it's just in a different name. Okay, so 1000 meters, you put it, you give it another name, it's actually 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer, you give it another name, it's actually 1000 meters. Okay, so Now that I have 1000 meters, okay, I got 1000 of these small little green packets you see here, okay. So now for my green packet, okay, now I have these green packets here, okay. So these are the meter packets, okay. I got 1000 of these meter packets. And understand this, okay. In these meter packets, let me change color. Okay, in this 1 meter packet, there are 100 of these centimeter small little units. Okay, so I have 100 of these small little 100 units. Okay, so I have 100 of these. Okay, I have 100 of these centimeter units. Okay, and this is in 1 meter packet. Do you see where is how does everything fit in now? Okay, so all these small little, tiny little dots here. Okay, so how many centimeters are there in these kilometers? You must know that actually there's a lot, right? So how do we actually count it? We don't count like piece by piece, right? Okay, so we use a bit of mathematics here. Alright, okay, my video is a bit long, but hang in there, we are almost done. Okay, so you know that 1 meter, okay, gives you 100 centimeter cubes, right? So if I want 1000, okay, no, let's not do it so in such big increments. Okay, so if let's say I want 5 meters, I just simply take 5 times, okay, because it's 5 packets, right? 5 times 100 give me 500, right? 500 centimeters. Okay. So if I want 1000, what do? I take 1000 multiplied by 100, which gives me 100,000 centimeters. So far makes sense? Alright. So I know that these 100,000 meters, which is 100,000 meters here, actually gives me 100,000 centimeters. So 1 kilometer, because it's also 100 meters, so this is 100 meters, this is 100 meters, it actually is 100,000 centimeters. Okay, and when I want 3 kilometers, okay, so 1 kilometer is 100,000 centimeters. 3 kilometers actually is 3 times of this 100,000 centimeters, which gives me 300,000 centimeters. Okay, and from here, okay, so this actually gives me 300,000 centimeters, and this is 15 meters, which should give me okay, let me add it here, 300,000, I plus 15, I should have 300,015 centimeters. Okay, this looks like a 6. Okay, so yes, 300,015 centimeters.